Hey there, welcome to our quick and easy guide on how to add DNS record in cPanel. We will see how it's done in just a few minutes. Let's start by logging into cPanel. Just enter your username and password, and you're good to go. After getting into cPanel dashboard, search for the section domain, and in that just click on Zone Editor. In Zone Editor, you will see your domain name for which you want to add DNS record. And to add record, just click on Manage option. Here you will see all DNS records, which are already added for the domain. Now you have to click to add record to add the new DNS record. Or you can also click on drop-down and select specific record you want to add. Let's add a record. Now you have to fill zone name, record that is IP address. And after that you have to click on add record. You will get successful message. Now you can see that the A record has been added to for the domain. And you can also delete the DNS record by just clicking on delete option and delete the record for that domain. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for even more awesome tutorials.